Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So far we have completed 4 units revision successfully, right students? Hope you understood. And today we are going to revise unit 5 lesson at the vegetable shop. Okay students, actually this lesson is about the conversation between vendor and a boy Ramu. Okay students, let's begin the lesson. Ramu's mother is busy at home. She sends him to buy vegetables. Ramu goes to a vegetable shop with a bag in his hand. Right students, you are able to see that in the picture. Right? Ramu's mother is busy at home. So, she sends him to buy vegetables. And he came to a vegetable shop with a bag in his hand. What happened after that? Hi Ramu, you have come alone today? Then Ramu said, Hi uncle, my mother is very busy now. My aunt's family is coming. So she has sent me here. Okay students. Then vendor said, What do you like to buy today? Then Ramu replied, My mother asked me to buy more vegetables today. Then Ramu, My mother asked me to buy more vegetables today. अम्मा ने कहा है आज ज़्यादा वेजिटेबल्स लाने के लिए. Why students? Because his aunt's family is coming. क्योंकि उनकी आंट्स की फैमिली उनके घर आने वाली है, इसलिए रामू की मदर उनको मार्केट भिजवाई ताकि वो ज़्यादा वेजिटेबल्स लाए. Okay students? Then vendor said, Well, pick the vegetables you want to buy. तो वेंडर ने कहा ठीक है, तो ले लो आपको जो वेजिटेबल्स चाहिए. Then Ramu looks at the vegetables and listen to them speaking. Then what happens students? तो रामू क्या देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे? रामू looks at the vegetables and listen to them speaking. उन्होंने देखा कि वेजिटेबल्स बात कर रहे हैं. And he heard that. और वो सुन रहे हैं कि वेजिटेबल्स बात कर रहे हैं. What the vegetables are talking students? What they are speaking? Let's see. The first vegetable, carrot. What carrot is saying? Buy me, buy me. You can eat me raw or cooked. You can prepare a curry or sambar. I will keep your eyes sparkling. Okay students? What carrot is saying? Carrot is saying, buy me, मुझे खरीदो. You can eat me raw or cooked. You can prepare a curry or sambar. I will keep your eyes sparkling. Sparkling means bright. Carrot खाने से क्या होगा students? It will keep our eyes sparkling. वो हमारी आँखों की रोशनी बढ़ाती है. Okay students? And it will give brightness to our eyes. Who is saying this? Carrot is saying to Ramu. Ramu मतलब carrot बोल रही है कि मुझे खरीदो. Buy me बोल के वो रामू से कह रही है. Okay students? Then spinach. What spinach is saying? Hey, look at me. I give you a lot of iron content. You will be robust if you eat me. Robust means strong and healthy. What spinach is saying? Hey, look देखो. I give you a lot of iron content. मैं आपको बहुत ज़्यादा आयरन कंटेंट दूंगी. मतलब मुझ में आयरन का कंटेंट बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. अगर आप मुझे खाओगे, then you will be strong and healthy. Who is saying this? Spinach. Okay students? Spinach कह रही है कि खाओ मुझे. Look at me and buy me. I'll give you lot of iron content. And by having me means by eating me, you will become strong and healthy. Then next vegetable, brinjal. Brinjal is saying, Hi Ramu, try me. I am the queen of vegetables. See, I have a crown on my head. Even poets wrote poems and songs on my taste. Brinjal is saying, Hi Ramu, try me. I am the queen of vegetables. मैं vegetables की queen हूँ. I have a crown on my head. देखो मेरे सर पे crown भी है. Right students, on brinjal we are able to see the shape of crown, right? उसके सर पे हमें crown जैसा shape भी दिखाई देता है. That's what the brinjal is saying. Even poets wrote poems and songs on it पे poets और मतलब poets जो है मेरे टेस्ट के बारे में बहुत सारे songs और poems भी लिखे हैं. बोल के कौन बोल रहा है? Brinjal is saying. Okay students? And next, Potato is saying, Ramu, why don't you buy me? People across the world prefer to eat me. I have fiber, potassium and vitamins that keep you strong. Then Potato is saying, Ramu, why don't you buy me? आप मुझे क्यों नहीं खरीदोगे? क्योंकि across the world people prefer to eat me. Means potato preferred by across the world. People eat potato. Why? Because potato have fiber, potassium, vitamins. Okay students? That keeps you strong. और वो हमें क्या बनाते हैं? Strong बनाते हैं. क्या खाने से? Potato को खाने से. Okay students? ये कौन कह रहा है? Potato is saying this. रामू से कह रही है potato. कह रहा है कि रामू, why don't you buy me? आप मुझे क्यों नहीं खरीदोगे? दुनिया में सारे लोग मुझे खाते हैं, मुझे प्रिफर करते हैं क्योंकि मुझ में फाइबर, पोटेशियम एंड विटामिन्स है जो आपको स्ट्रांग बनाते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? एंड नेक्स्ट, pumpkin. Look at me. I am very sweet. Though I am fat and round, I keep you think. Pumpkin क्या कह रही है? Look at me. I am very sweet. Though I am fat and round, मैं चाहे मैं फैट रहूं या राउंड रहूं फिर भी I keep you think बोल के pumpkin कह रही है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? देन curry leaves are saying, oh don't forget us. हमें मत भूलना. Why? You need us in all spicy foods and chutneys. I give aroma to your dish. Students, aroma means good smell. Remember, I keep your eyes and hair healthy. Who are saying this? Curry leaves. Curry leaves are saying, oh, don't forget us. You need us in all spicy foods and chutneys. आपको हमारी ज़रूरत सारे spicy foods में पड़ेगी. Okay, students? क्यों? Why we use curry leaves? Because they give aroma to our dishes. Means अच्छी सी खुशबू देते हैं curry leaves. That's why we add in all spicy foods and chutneys. Okay students, curry leaves को हम सारे spicy foods and chutneys में use करते हैं because they give a good smell to our dishes. And also curry leaves keeps our eyes and hair healthy. So curry leaves are saying, don't forget us. You need us in all spicy foods and chutneys. And we keep your eyes and hair healthy. बोल के curry leaves बोल रहे हैं. Okay students? Then Ramu said, how shall I buy all these vegetables? Mother gave me only 80 rupees. Can I carry this pumpkin home? Let me see. Then Ramu said, ठीक है. How can I buy all these vegetables? Because mother gave me only 80 rupees. मम्मा ने मुझे सिर्फ 80 rupees दिए हैं. How can I buy all these vegetables? ये सारे vegetables मैं कैसे खरीद पाऊंगा? Can I carry this pumpkin home? बोल के वो pumpkin को try किए उठाने के लिए. Suddenly Ramu sees a purse among the pumpkins. Suddenly Ramu observed a purse among the pumpkins. Whose purse it is, students? Don't know. Let's see. Ramu said, Uncle, I found a purse here. Whose purse is this? He asked to vendor. Then vendor said, oh, it is my purse. Perhaps it slipped from my pocket while unloading them from the bullock cart. Thank you, Ramu. Whose purse it is, students? It is vendor's purse. When he heard that from Ramu, he found a purse and he asked, whose purse is this? Then vendor said, oh, this is my purse. Might be it slipped from my pocket. कब गिर गई वो? When he was loading the pumpkins from the bullock cart. At that time, might be that purse has been slipped from his pocket. Okay? Then Ramu said, is everything okay, uncle? Vendor took that purse and he checked in that. At that time, Ramu asked, is everything okay, uncle? Then vendor said, thank God, my purse is intact. Intact means वो फटी नहीं और डैमेज भी नहीं हुई. Thank God, my purse is intact. I got my ATM card and money back. तो वेंडर क्या कह रहे हैं? Thank God, मेरी पर्स डैमेज नहीं हुई और मेरा ATM कार्ड and my money is back. So he is very happy by observing his purse, means by getting his purse back. जैसे उनको अपनी पर्स मिलते ही वो बहुत खुश हो गए. वो डैमेज भी नहीं हुई, उनका ATM कार्ड और उनकी मनी भी उनके पास, मतलब उनकी मनी भी उनकी पास आ गई. वो किसी और के हाथ में नहीं गई. Okay, students? Then Ramu said, Uncle, I want to buy all kinds of vegetables, but I don't have enough money. Give me 1 kg of brinjals, half a kg of potatoes and some curry leaves. Because रामू के पास ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं है, ओनली 80 रुपीज़ है. तो उन्होंने क्या कहा, मुझे सारे वेजिटेबल्स खरीदने हैं लेकिन मेरे पास आई डोंट हैव इनफ मनी, इतना पैसा मेरे पास नहीं है. सो गिव मी 1 kg ऑफ ब्रिंजल्स, हाफ kg ऑफ पोटैटोस एंड सम करी लीव्स. तो ठीक है, आप मुझे 1 किलो ब्रिंजल, हाफ किलो पोटैटोस एंड थोड़े करी लीव्स दो बोल के वो वेंडर से पूछे. देन व्हाट वेंडर सेड, Ramu, take whatever you want. You need not pay for the vegetables you buy today. Ramu, आपको जो लेना है आप आज ले सकते हो. आज आप जो भी खरीदोगे आपको उसका अमाउंट पे करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. क्यों स्टूडेंट्स? बिकॉज रामू gave back his purse to vendor. राइट? वेंडर की जो पर्स घूम गई थी उन्होंने उनको वापस दिया. तो वो वेंडर बहुत खुश हो गए और and he said that whatever you are going to buy today vegetables from my shop, no need to pay. आज जो भी आप वेजिटेबल्स खरीदोगे मेरे शॉप से उसका पेमेंट आपको करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay students, then Ramu said, thank you uncle, then I'll buy half a kg each of all the vegetables. क्योंकि वो उनको थैंक्स कहना चाह रहे थे. राइट? तो वो थैंक यू वो किस फॉर्म में कर रहे हैं? राइट, रामू को आज जो भी वो खरीदेंगे वेजिटेबल्स उसका पेमेंट उनको करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो रामू क्या बोले सुनते ही, थैंक यू अंकल, देन आई विल बाय हाफ अ kg ईच ऑफ ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स. जो जितनी भी वेजिटेबल्स हैं तो वो मुझे आप हाफ किलो दो बोल के वो रामू कहा, मतलब रामू ने कहा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देन वेंडर सेड, डू यू नीड अ पॉलिथीन बैग? Ramu said, no uncle, I never use polythene bags. I always carry a jute bag with me. When vendor asked, do you want polythene bag? Then Ramu said, no uncle, I never use polythene bags. I always carry a jute bag. Jute bag मतलब जो जूट से बना होता है स्टूडेंट्स. ओके? Then vendor said, that's good Ramu. Ramu replied, oh, it's 9 o'clock. It's getting late. My mother is waiting for me. Bye, uncle. Then vendor asked, whenever vendor said that, that's good, Ramu. Then Ramu saw his watch and he realized that his mother is waiting for him. Then he said, oh, it's 9 o'clock. It's getting late. My mother is waiting for me. Bye, uncle. Then vendor said, see you tomorrow. Okay, students, this is the conversation between vendor and Ramu. Okay, let's stop here. We'll continue our class in the next session and we will know more about the lesson at the vegetable shop in our live session. Okay, students? Till then, thank you and Allah Hafiz.